Hi everyone, and welcome back to English Step by Step. Today we're diving into future tenses. Let's get started. Simple future, will plus base verb. We use the simple future to express spontaneous decisions. Example, I'll answer the phone. Make predictions based on opinions or beliefs. Example, it will rain tomorrow. Express future facts. Example, the sun will rise at 6 a.m. Offer promises or threats. Example, I will always support you. You will regret this. Form, subject plus will's base verb. Example, she will travel to Spain next week. Tip, remember, shall can replace will for formal contexts or offers in British English, especially with I and we. Future continuous, will be present participle ing form. We use the future continuous to talk about actions in progress at a specific time in the future. Example, this time tomorrow, I will be flying to Paris. Describe planned actions in the future. Example, she will be presenting the report at 10 a.m. Form subject will be verb thing. Example, they will be studying for the exam at 8 p.m. Future perfect will have plus participle. We use the future perfect to talk about actions that will be completed before a certain point in the future. Example, by next month, I will have finished the project. Form subject will have plus past participle. Example, she will have graduated by 2026. Here's a question for you. By 3 p.m. tomorrow, he finish his homework. Write your answer in the comments. Future perfect continuous will have been plus present participle basing form. We use the future perfect continuous to talk about how long an action will have been happening at a certain point in the future. Example, by June, I will have been teaching for 5 years. Form, subject, will have been plus verbing. Example, they will have been working on this project for months. We use going to express plans or intentions. Example, I am going to visit my grandparents. We use going to make predictions based on evidence. Example, look at those clouds, it's going to rain. Form, subject, am, is, are, going to, base verb. Example, we are going to watch a movie tonight. Tip, going to often sounds more certain or pre-planned than will. 6. Present continuous for future. We use the present continuous to talk about fixed arrangements or plans in the near future. Example, I am meeting my friends at 6 p.m. Form, subject, is, are, verb, missing. Example, they are leaving for the airport tomorrow morning. Tip, remember to include a time reference to make it clear you're talking about the future, not the present. Present simple for future. We use the present simple to talk about schedules or timetables. Example, the train departs at 9 a.m. Discuss formal events or plans. Example, the meeting starts at 10 a.m. Form, subject base verb. Example, the concert begins at 8 p.m. Quick quiz. This time tomorrow, I work at the library. A will work, B will be working, C will have worked. By next year, she complete her studies. A will complete, B will have completed, C will be completing. Depart at 7:30 a.m. A will depart, departs, C is departing. Post your answers in the comments. Recap, today we explored 1. Simple future, 2. Future continuous, 3. Future perfect, 4. Future perfect continuous, 5. Going to for plans and predictions, 6. Present continuous for fixed arrangements, 7. Present simple for timetables and schedules. Here's a table summarizing all the future tenses. Do pause the video to take a screenshot. Thank you for joining me on English Step by Step. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more IGC tips. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.